so nice, ASUS had to do it twice. The first iteration of the Zephyrus was groundbreaking, combining innovative design with Nvidia's power-efficient Max-Q GPU. This time the company's all about polish, releasing the $2,199 ROG Zephyrus M GM501. This new system retains the slick unique chassis from before, but improves upon a few aspects, such as the keyboard, audio quality and battery life, even though it's still a bit too short. But ASUS also took the kid gloves off, outfitting the notebook with one of the first 8th Gen Core i7 Coffee Lake processors and a full Nvidia GTX 1070 GPU, allowing for beastly performance in a relatively slim frame. This is a bit of a redux, but that's not a bad thing. The Zephyrus is still a thing of beauty in its chassis, and is still made from brushed aluminum in a lovely color ASUS calls black titanium. Like the original, the lid has two distinct panels, one has vertical striations while the other has horizontal lines, which gives the laptop a sort of two-tone effect. A large chrome ROG emblem sits on the left side of the lid and glows a cherry red when the laptop is on, which really draws the eye. Once you get past staring at the lid, you'll notice ROG printed on the back of the lid along with the status lights, and part of the vent peeking out from the interior of the laptop. And just in case you ever forget how to spell Zephyrus, ASUS has lovingly stamped it on the back of the device system along with the plasma copper accent just beneath and around the sides of the system. Although the Zephyrus looks pretty much the same on the outside as last year's model, the interior has gotten a major makeover. Gone is the digital touchpad, or numpad that used to sit in the bottom right corner, as well as the keyboard pushed all the way to the edge of the deck. Instead, you have a traditional touchpad and a full palm rest with the keyboard in the center of the deck, accompanied by a numpad. The power button has moved to the top right above the home and key, while buttons for volume and ROG Gaming Center rest above the F1-F4 keys. Just like its predecessor, opening the Zephyrus reveals its rear exhaust panel with the red light at either side, bathing my lap in an intoxicating red glow. Need a USB 3.1 Type-A port? The Zephyrus has 4 to spare, with 3 on the left and 1 on the right. You'll also find a Thunderbolt 3 port on the right along with the secured lock slot. On the left, you get a HDMI port, a combination microphone, headphone jack and a power jack. The Zephyrus 15.6-inch, 1920 by 1080 matte display is made for gaming. Thanks to its Nvidia G-Sync technology, gamer will encounter little to no screen tearing or latency. The technology synchronizes the panel with the GPU for a near seamless refresh rate of 144 Hz. The screen is also great for watching movies, because it produces vibrant color and fine details. And thanks to its generous 178-degree viewing angles, you can position yourself just about anywhere in front of the laptop without the colors inverting or fading. I could see the individual strands of the hero's jet black hair in the Tears of Steel video as easily as I could see the art pattern drawn on the back of his jacket in dark, charcoal black lines. The artwork was made even more striking by the golden yellow background it rested on. It placed all the focus there instead of on the emerald green foliage in the background.